This is the topic today, man. Unity, say no more, man. I try to unite all the while with my friends and my family, them, and try to implement certain things because I know say that strength, you know. I know say that strength, we see it all the time. But that's why certain people powerful, so certain nation powerful, so they learn unity, they enforce that from a child age, from your picnic, then fix that apart. So, and unity is supposed to enforce in the family, like how you enforce discipline, and you enforce all of them disciplines the way a youth supposed to grow up with. If you grow up with that unity, that with family member, with people, and a general to understand of unity. Because unity is something you have to understand about it. You understand me? I say unity is strength. You see me? So we see that in our family, them, especially in a black family, we need to unite more, and we need to teach the youth them about unity, because I think the youth them need to learn more about unity. Is like mother and son no agree, and mother and daughter no agree, and father and son no agree. No, rubbish that. Any problem we have, we're supposed to have a way and means of we talk about it and discuss it and get back to the protocol and make the thing work right. You see me I say? Because just imagine when you and your brother not talk, your youth and your brother, you them play and everything, but yet still you and your brother not talk. That's not good. You're not set no foundation of unity with your family. You're not set no foundation of unity with you them. You're not teaching you them unity. You have to teach them unity. It have to set from there. So you see me. It have to sit around the dinner table. We sit down, we talk, walk one, what a problem, or we can deal with it. Because your weakest link is the strongest link, you know. It's due to your family, they may due to certain people. We always make sure say you emphasize that the unity is supposed to be there. You understand me? I say, and that's the way I fall short. You see me? So just imagine we have 5 brothers and the 5 of them can unite in a one and I deal with the same collective, the same thing that everybody wants to deal with. Like, all right, we are farm, and then the 5 of we are brother and the 5 of we unite and a farm. You know, powerful that be. You know, the powerful farm that like more than you, and this one have farm and the next tree have problem, and no. The unity needs to be set, and it needs to be set from the family basis, from the mother, from the father, from the inside. You need to sit them down, sit down the youths them and tell them, listen me, have to unite. And this way powers there. You know, you have example where you can show them. Because if you take up 3 majestic and a try broke, he eats for broke, you know. But once you start read 7, 8, 9, 10, now you try, you have 7, 8, 9, 10 majestic where you put together and a try broke. It's hard for broke. So, I saw it powers come when you unite. So we need to emphasize it more, and we need to push it out there more and make the youth them know, say, listen me, unity is strength and we need to unite. And unity used to be the forefront and we put things together. 2 head better than 1, you know, man. 2 head better than 1, 3 head better than 2, 4 head better than 3. So the more we unite collectively, it run things. So if me I do something right now, me I do a good job, and me can get somebody else to inject in it to make the job that I'm doing get better. We need to get it done. Selfish thing is more of an ego. Your ego that. You get me? I say most of the time when you see people act selfish and very me I them man and me. No, rubbish. You get me? I say we are a team. You get me? A team where I deal with, we a team who want to build something like a team. What you have to say about this? Me I do this, you know, and me think me I go and good enough, but we still could have take like improvement. Where you say we can come together and put it on the next level. We need to do that. You see me I say we have family reunion, we call everybody, we sit down youth and everybody sit down and we say your uncle this, you know, we are somebody them we have to show respect to, and we need to unite. Any problem you have, you come make we discuss it, come make we try to get certain things together. You see me I say it's more of what you can give. It's not just for more what people can get. And this is the unity part coming in, and we need to enforce it more. Even use them in the street. That's why use them so cruel nowadays, you know, and just kill people for nothing and deal, because they don't know about love, they don't unite, they don't have certain strength. You see me? But you need to start from the basic. You need to start from the household. You need to start from the household. You understand me? I say you need to start there. Because if you don't start this, so where? When a youth reach 15, 16, at that time you start teaching about unity, you used to say, I behave aggressive to him brother, or I behave disrespectful to him mother. You need to set certain things on a level, man. You need to set it so. Accept say do something wrong and apologize to a youth, no matter who, and just clean your slate and move on. Because around here, you know, some people get preferential treatment, but you have to be careful who you get preferential treatment, because same man where you get this big high power treatment, I mean I end,
I can disrespect you know. Disrespect as a youth in the street and see it as something where nothing to them. Them just disrespect a youth, and when they disrespect a youth, them just make it slide and make it look like nothing. But you have to understand, say, you can't deal with the youth them so. You see me I say, and you yourself have to understand, say, you can't live so. If you deal with a man in a way where you're not even really approve of your own self. Every man have conscience, You see me? If you say, if you see man, say, generally, say a thing to you one day, and the way me say it, me never really say it properly. So I'm sorry for that, general. You get me? I say, because in a sense, if that same you did say what you say to you, say you have to go deal with your situation, you have to go deal with it on a level. Because you have to be the man to, in other levels there, fee step over and deal with the thing like when you deal with it. Same like when you deal with it in an anger way and disrespectful and deal with it on one level. I see where you can step over and deal with it in a respectful way and fix the wrong. Because you always can fix things always can deal with, and them things they cause eruption and hurt and cause a problem in our life, because of some simple thing we could have deal with more easy and could have get rid of. It costs our life because a man see it and say it's a disrespect and him wouldn't deal with you so, and if him deal with you so, he would have to deal with the situation because you now take it so. And for sure respect to each other and have the levels there. Enough time I do things that I know say, right. I have to see people and I say, listen, wrong way I deal with this body here, Or yesterday, nah, I don't want the thing to look like that. Because me have my character, me have things that me have to sit with as live up to, So you have to know when you do something wrong and apologize and just move on, clean a slate with people in the street, with anybody. And you don't know who's who, enough time you're there and certain things that happen and certain people have certain information and you wouldn't even know. Because more time your weak is link and your strong is link, so you have to kind of deal with situation in a better way. Because say some man deal with some man, if them deal with them a way and some man bad them apologize and know say that they did do that thing wrong there and that's it. But if them go in at the street and more time you move around and you move a little longer, and certain little things and you end up deal with you on a level and you yourself know say you ain't deal with him good, feel say you feel see him and make him know say listen me daddy. Anybody for all you have your woman and a woman have a man. So in a sense where anyhow it happen, you have to know say listen me do something wrong, me I go apologize, clean my slate, and me I go move on because that's so lifetime, and you don't want to be bitter in yourself, when you want conscience. Because some man are going they have conscience. Because if a man deal with you a certain way, I know you're not going to love it and you're going to bad about it and you're going to have people where you really are going to talk about it. Say, boy, the man deal with me a way I never like, or the man deal with me a rare. So when you deal with the next youth a way, you feel say, affect them. Yes, it affect them, but you don't know. You have to say that you to them vice them opinion to one, vice cruel thing to one, man the dead dog and this, the man this me and rare. And one little thing like that, of all a man have you open him heart for years. Which if you did see the man and make him know say, listen me, that not right. If you did see the woman and make him know say, that approach they never really right. I just the whole system. So sorry for me deal with that, how me deal with it. And make an apology. Even your own youth. If you feel say you deal with your youth away, when in a long days after you feeling yourself say, say me not deal with the situation good. Because you know when you not deal with the situation good. Because if you deal with your away, me know you're not going to love it. You're going to expect your youth supposed to come apologize to you and deal with their way. So why when you feel say you do something wrong or you say something to your youth where you think it's not the right way or you're supposed to deal with it, not the right way you're supposed to say it, feel say you have this obligation to see him and call him and make him say, son, me never really deal with this right way, or daughter, listen me. It's not the way I'm if you deal with it, even though I'm angry and the situation and the whole thing, me not deal with it good. You understand? So me apologize for how me deal with it. And I hope me not deal with it so next time, and I see him for you. So them little thing there where you say, them little gesture that you think I want like a simple thing, but I want a big thing to people. People recognize them thing, they and see them thing they as respect towards them character and respect towards them and you. Because you let down youth, you know, youth will have you on one podium, you know, and just the way how you deal with one situation, you know. They make you them know have no love for you again and deal with you away. Just feel like a simple thing where you could have just see him and tell him, listen me daddy. And also it's just a little misunderstanding, and because we are human, things do happen.
In your work, so you have to learn and grow and go up to the rank and to the levels. That means that when you reach the levels, you have experience how to deal with the situation. You know, get crumbled when certain situations arrive and certain things are right. Because the lack of loyalty becomes now when you start competing against each other. You know, because whenever you compete with each other, we know that this man the CEO. Yes, he's the CEO. Me, and the general manager, we work with that. That's it. We don't go try go and compete and go like we try climb on him back, or try shoot him down, and try carry him, use telling no. You have to understand if there's a problem, we sit and we talk, listen, CEO, we have one problem here, so how can we fix it? We need it to be fixed. You understand what I'm saying? So we, and like me, I want like say, me want to turn the CEO, so me I fight against, there's nothing the CEO do that's good where me can say, yes, he's doing a good job on it. No. So we need to get back to the whole frame of mind of knowing that, listen, this is a levels and this is experience. People and they say I hear it shown, so you father we are the king and train and give certain information to become the king. So let's go back to the basic and now say, alright, we share for each other, we team with each other, the whole of we are eat, the whole of we are do it the right way. You get me? Because me if you expect me ever get percentage like the CEO and I'm just a manager. You have to just work with the thing and act with the thing. It's not ace. People are AC and I try to fight to get rich like tomorrow they are dead. You're not dead tomorrow. Put in your work and make your work talk for you. You understand me I say? So that's the whole thing, man. So there's somebody that adjust the situation. So we could just go back to the whole foundation part how everything's supposed to be and how everything's set from the foundation and get back to making some good money in a unity way and set the whole prospect of everything up. Leave a comment and share and like and click the notification bell and just make you know what I want. We could discuss the topic. Because you know more time the topic have to discuss, we have to deal with it on one level. So get back to the real process of everything. So I'm out right now, alright? Listen, have a blessed day, alright? In the whole system of life, you have to know where I do. You have to know where I do. You see me I say, get up every day and smoke and nothing at all. In the work, get something to do before you start this bag of smoking. No way I wake up in the morning and say, listen, I wake in the morning, when we wake this morning, I have this to accomplish, and I'm going to get it done. When we get it done, we can sit down and just hold a jar of weed and just have a drink, especially, and just see what we do. And tomorrow morning, we wake up and we try to get it done from a different level, same way. I deal with the situation, I wonder if, you know, them don't know say weed is a motivational thing. So, you have to be careful, you know. Because if you smoke weed, it motivates if you do anything you do more. So, if you smoke weed and you're just sitting around on the car and I drink some special and you smoke weed and more weed and more special weed and motivate if you get because you're not doing anything. I think the best time for a man smoke a weed is when him done the certain things and then when him look, him can sit, build a spliff and have a drink and look on what he accomplished. So it's like we put through a certain amount of work for the day so we can sit back and smoke a spliff and have a drink and just look on what we get done and say, listen, you see tomorrow we want to do twice. You see me I say, even 3 times what we do. That means that we keep on pushing ourselves. And if weed helping to do that, you know, say, you're going to exceed your limit. So if you keep on doing what you have to do in a dark farm day while smoking weed, as something that will help you reach to a better stage, you have to take it into the next level. You can't just use weed just because of using weed sake. You just get up every morning and you build up one weed, one carry night, and when you check it out today, you smoke 5 spliff. And when you smoke 5 spliff, you can't show what you accomplish through the day. If you smoke 5 spliff, you don't need to smoke 5 spliff and you don't accomplish nothing. First thing you know, if you smoke and you don't do no work, because smoking is that thing where if you be careful, it's a calming and relaxing thing. If you have something to do and you want to get it done and you go light up one spliff, you will have problem. I know like some people can manage because them can build up a split from smoke and get to do what they want to do and then go back to that. But at first, if you can avoid not start to smoke before you do what you want to get done, if you get it done before, you know that. Me have experience with weed. You get me and I know certain things about weed. So a man get up every day and I smoke 10, 15 spliff and I drink 5 special. You know, work. You have to have a target aim and know, say, listen, this is what I'm going to get done today and I'm going to get it done. When you're done, split bill up, relax, and just look over what you do and say, listen, we can do this better tomorrow and we can put in more work tomorrow, so you get certain amount of work done. If you get up every day, as you get up, you start at gear and a roll up split and you don't have nothing organized and nothing put in your head if you go through the day, if you know say you accomplish something. You sit down and smoke with you 20 years and not accomplish nothing in your life. You see me, I say, I don't know, we know smoking is good, but in a them day and age, you have to smoke a little spliff more time to kind of like, kind of pep up the thing. You get me? I say so. Get up every day and just smoke. So, and sometimes you see some man have some whole little youth around them and I get it. No. You know, say it's not good for your youth to start smoke until him pass 18. Or even later because your brain soft and little, and when you eat or going in your brain and smoking, it can affect you. See, whole little youth will take up smoking before time in a long run, it affect them brain. Them get all kinky. So when you see a little youth, you encourage them to listen, smoking and not eat. Nobody chasing me and smoke. You need to go school, finish up your school, reach to one stage where when you smoke, nobody can talk to you because you pass the age of smoking, you know what you do. You understand? No. You start smoking when you're 14 and you take up smoking and then you reach to one stage where we are tap if and go. As I say, we are tap if and go physically and mentally, your body liquor because smoking is a thing where you have to deal with it by moderation. And something where you get up and feel you can smoke 1 million spliff a day. Smoking something where you try to go like you want to compete, Mr. Scott from Better Days TV Enterprise, putting out some content on mass media channel. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe and click the notification bell and leave a comment. Leave a comment on the subjects that we talk about and the issues that we clear up on this channel. So if you love what's going on here, subscribe. And if you subscribe, I sure and guarantee you're not gonna regret it. And to better people around you and help to develop the community around you. Train your self-control of discipline. Subscribe, like, click the notification bell if you love subjects and topics like these. And leave a comment on the channel. And if you're new to this channel, click the notification bell